Namaskar. My name is Dr. Malath K Holla. Chanakya University is coming up under the auspicious guidance of Dr. M. K. Sridhar and Sri M. P. Kumar. No doubt, this university would excel and bring out the best youth of our country. Chanakya University is bringing up the new age courses and help them to get the good employment. And also, I am so happy that they are providing sports and the courses for the physically challenged students also. So there is no doubt we can build our beautiful nest and we can make all our dreams come true. And I always tell that, the society is like a mirror. It reflects our own images and attitudes. Likewise, Chanakya University is like a mirror. We would able to see our future into the mirror and construct our wonderful future.